Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. Now this week in math we are talking about team numbers. And we remember that team numbers are always 10 plus something else, some other amount of numbers. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and work with that here on this chart here. This is the bug day out. And tomorrow we're going to read that story. First we're going to look at a few bugs. Now first of all, what's your favorite kind of bug? I see kind of a beetle here. There's a bee. There's kind of a centipede, something that crawls. Maybe you say, none of these are my favorite. I don't like bugs at all. Some people do. This actually could be a beetle or a ladybug. Do you like ladybugs? They're friendly bugs. Well, let's go ahead and get some of these bugs and let's make some team numbers with them, okay? So first, I'm going to go to all the way to number 13, okay? So I'm going to start using this one. I'll go ahead and call this ladybug. I see some dots there. So let's go ahead and start off with the ladybugs. Put one there. 2. Count with me. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we're going to 13. So if I reach 13, no, I have 10. And I'm going to keep going. 11, 12, 13. All right, so there's 13. And 13 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus how many? 1, 2, 3. Good. Very good. I'm going to go and write that number right up here. 13 is 1 and 3 more. Which is kind of hard to write on there, but there it is. All right. So let me go ahead and erase that. Let's put a new number. This time I'm going to go ahead and write the number first. And let's go to this number. What number is this? 15. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get these guys out of here. Okay, cut these out. And I'm going to leave this amount, this group of 10 ladybugs here. Okay, so I'm going to combine some bugs. So I'm going to use ladybugs and bees. Okay, so we're going to this number. What number is this? That's right, that's 15. Now we have 10 here. Let's go all the way up to 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There it is. Very good. So what would we say about 15? 15 is 10, and how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 is 10 and 5 more. All right, let's do one more. Let me go ahead and erase this. And I'm going to put these guys back over here. We're going to use the centipede. It's like a centipede or millipede, something like that. Bug with a lot of feet there at the top. On the little legs. And this time we're going to go for a little bit bigger number. Okay? I'm going to get my pencil and we're going to this one. All right, now what number is that? That's right, that is 19. Okay, let's go. Now we have 10. We already have our 10 filled in. Okay, so let's keep going. What's after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's it. And how will we say 19 is with the 10? It's 10, and how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, sorry. Let me do that again. I went a little quick. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that's 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 19 is 10 and 9 more. What would happen if I added one more? What would I be at? 19, 20. Okay, so 20, let me erase this. We have that. 20 is 10 and how many more? It's 10 more, right? A little bit messy. That's supposed to be a 2 and a 0. So 20 is 10 and 10 more. Alright, boys and girls, so we're going to go ahead and open our Orgo book, and we're going to page 145. And we're going to be working with team numbers here. So we have 5 problems. We'll do the first one together, and I'll let you do the last 4. I'm going to go ahead and use red, so it'll show up really clearly. Okay, so we're writing the number of 10s and 1s, okay? So this is 10, we see here, and how many 1s? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 1, 10, okay, because I have the 1, 10 here. And how many 1s? 1, 2, 3. 3 1s. Oh my goodness, you see the number? You see it right there? If I put the 1 and 3 together, let me go ahead and do that right up here. So write this in this area here. 1 and 3. That's 13. Alright. Now let's continue doing that for the last 4. I'll just go ahead and say it. I won't write it, but you need to write this in. How many 10s are there? There's 1 10. How many 1s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1s. What number is that going to be? Write that right up here. And you can clearly see what number after you fill it in, however many 10s and 1s, it'll just show up just like the first one. The first one showed up, 13. I wrote it up there. Alright, boys and girls, thank you for working with me today at math.